Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you my morning routine. I usually wake up around 6 and being the first person to wake up in the house before the kids. I always turn off my alarm clock so that it doesn't make noise, but today I left my phone in the kids room and now I'm using my wristwatch just to check that it's 6 the morning. Is meditate on the word of God because it's the Alpha and Omega, and I love to commit my day to his hands because without him I am not here. I'm a Christian, and yes, that's the first thing I do in the morning. I pick a verse in the Bible and I meditate on it, and that sometimes can take me up like 10 to 15 minutes to just read the word of God and meditate on it. I just find it refreshing to start my day that way. Then I kneel down and pray to God. I commit my day to his hands, after which I make my bed. I love to make my bed in the morning because it just makes my room more put together. And I take my warm water, which I have apple cider vinegar in it and lemon. I love to take that because it flushes my system. After that, I take a quick shower. I brush my teeth. If I have my natural hair on, I use a shampoo if I have to, but this time I'm not doing any of that. I'm just having a quick shower, and I just most of the time I brush my teeth the same time in the shower. It just kind of saves me time of doing it separately, and I always do that before my breakfast. I dry my body, I cream my body, and I just throw on a jeans. I throw on a jeans and a tank top, and I prepare the kids for school. I love to prepare them for school real quickly. They wake up around 7 a.m. and I prepare them, so we've got like an hour to prepare to go downstairs, eat breakfast, and I come back upstairs while they're eating breakfast to finish my dressing. I like to just throw on a jumper if it's winter time, and this time it's winter time, so I'm just throwing up a jumper, and I'll straighten my hair, make my makeup. I'll sit down in front of my makeup table or makeup dresser, and I straighten my hair. It takes me about 10-15 minutes. I always leave enough time because while they are downstairs eating their food, eating their breakfast, it takes them around 20 to 25 minutes to finish eating, which I always use that opportunity to run back upstairs to tidy up myself. I love to look put together. Despite that I'm dropping them off school, I still want to look really put together because you never can tell who you meet. You might see an old friend, you might see an old schoolmate, and you just don't want to look all, not really presentable. So I love to look presentable even when I'm dropping them off school. So I straighten my hair, and that's what I do.
Make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. Personal and having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You'll swear you're falling into me. Touch me, I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, real free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you
It's time to go to school. So this is rush hour if they've not finished their food, especially if it's finger food. They tend to finish it in the car because I don't like them being late. And it's breakfast time. For my breakfast, I love to take a cup of coffee in the morning, and it's just so refreshing. And that is the moment I'm more relaxed. I'm like, oh, thank God I've got the whole house to myself, and I've got Grace with me, which is my little one, the last one. So she's still with me. She hasn't started nursery. So I make my coffee, add some honey to it just to give it a little bit of taste, and I always use almond milk. But on this occasion, I have the children's milk, which is a cow milk. So I just decided to put a little into it, and I love this cereal from M&S. It's the fruit and fiber one, and I love it. Gives me the energy I need for the day, and I love to pop little in my plate. And I had some fruit. I have banana this morning, so I just felt like having banana. I love to have my berries with it, but this time I have banana with it, and it just tastes very yummy with the banana in it. I love it. I love the banana, and usually slice it into it. And yeah, and that is breakfast all set. I sit down and I just enjoy my breakfast, and it's so yummy. Honestly, this is my best part of my morning. It just kind of relaxes me. I just love the fact that I could take that coffee. I don't know. Let me know if you're a coffee lover in the comment below. I love my coffee, and I love my breakfast, my fruit and fiber. Let me know the cereal you love to eat in the morning. And you can see that dance. When I make that dance, that means the breakfast is delicious. After breakfast, after enjoying my breakfast, I sit down and listen to Sky News. That is the first thing I do before I venture into my YouTube video, making video, editing videos, or writing on my blog, whatever I need to do as in work. I usually sit down, listen to Sky News to know what is happening around me. I don't want to be caught unaware. If something is happening in my area, I need to know. And Sky News do it for me. Yeah, they give me the information I need. So yeah, that's us listening to Theresa May and our Brexit. Yes. After which I settle down, and with Grace, I'm trying to let her sleep because she always takes a nap around this time, and I just wait a little bit for her to take a nap. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the time to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Come on, be part of the family. And I just settle down when Grace is trying to take a nap to start my day, look at my schedule, look at my calendar, what I need to do for the day, and voila, I write on my blog, look at my blog, anything I need to adjust, and I start my day with the hope of finishing well and doing all my videos or editing all my videos and writing my blog. And that is what I do in the morning. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up and share this video. I love you guys. Be true to yourself, love yourself, be happy. Nobody can make you happy except you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.